we will be talking about vaginal hygiene tips during monsoon. So let me introduce myself. I'm a gynecologist and IVF specialist. I'm based in Mumbai. I work in Bandra Bhabha Hospital, which is a government hospital, and also I have a private practice. I also do laparoscopies, freelancing. So, guys, we'll be talking about vaginal care during monsoon season, as this is the season of rains, and all of you know how important it is to take care of your vaginal health. So, guys, you can ask me questions. Okay. So, the first question is, what extra care should I take to avoid fungal infections during monsoon in the intimate area? Okay. So, the first thing is, see, what happens is your vagina has got a special pH, which is acidic in nature. So, what happens is during monsoon, because of increased humidity, the pH changes, and also because if you're wearing, tight underwear, or because of the monsoons, if the underwear gets wet and there is increased itching and everything. So, what happens is it is a good like environment for the bacteria and the fungus to grow. So, what you can do is the number one rule is please wear cotton underwears. If you're wearing cotton underwears, it has a breathable fabric which will allow the air to pass through, and hence there'll not be any uh, humidity there. Second thing is don't wear tight underwears. Wear loose fitted garments. The best thing you can also do is don't wear tight jeans, don't wear tight leggings, don't wear anything that is very tight to you. You can wear like plazo pants, all those things you can do. And third thing is what you should do is whenever the intimate area is wet, please do change your underwears. You can use panty liners, you can mop it dry. Okay. So the next question is, I experience a lot of itching in the intimate area, especially in monsoon. How can I prevent and manage this? All right. And also there's people telling me that they cannot okay, fine. So let's talk about itching. So see, itching का सबसे basic चीज होता है. Number one thing is we should stop the itch and scratch cycle. अगर there is continuous itching, your hand will go there. It will create rashes and everything. So first thing you have to do is monsoon में underwear को गीले नहीं होने देना है. गीले नहीं होने देने के लिए again the same thing I would tell you is please change your underwears. Do not go into like the gila underwear. Change your underwear, wipe it dry, and if you have itching, please go see a doctor. We'll take something called a pap smear. We'll do a local examination and see what kind of discharge you're having. किस टाइप का डिस्चार्ज है उसका क्या ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है खुद सेल्फ मेडिकेशन प्लीज मत लीजिए ओवर द काउंटर ड्रग्स जो मिलते हैं यू कैन लाइक यू टेक स्पेशल क्रीम्स यू थिंक दैट वजाइनल वॉशेस विल हेल्प यू आपको लगता है दैट फ्रैग्रेंट फेमिनिन हाइजीन प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि मार्केट्स में आते हैं that will help you that actually won't help you much because what exactly it does is the fragrance actually irritates the vulvar skin which is very sensitive, so don't do that. Please consult your doctor regarding that. All right. Okay. So the next question is, I experience a fungal infection. How can I manage this with diet changes and home care along with medications? Okay. So again, see what exactly is a fungal infection? Fungal infection is again due to the change of pH. So for home remedies, all you can do is you can take some probiotics, like you can take like curd, दही खा सकते हैं आप. Especially अगर yogurt खा रहे हैं तो don't use flavored yogurts because flavored yogurts में you have sugar in that. You don't want your sugars to raise because again अगर sugars रहती हैं, it is a very good the environment for bacteria and the fungus to grow. So and also you can add garlic to your diet. All those things you can do as home remedies. घर पे अगर बहुत ज्यादा खुजली है जलन है आप उस एरिया पे वैसलीन लगा सकते हैं. एंड लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What extra care should I take when on menstrual periods during monsoon? Okay. So menstrual periods during monsoon, all you have to do is you have to keep changing your pads frequently. That is every 4 to 6 hours you can change the pad. Okay. Guys, just give me 1 second. 1 second, please. Yeah. So what you can do is you can just change your pads every 4 to 6 hours. If you change the pad 4 to 6 hours, what happens is वो पैड बहुत देर तक गीला नहीं रहेगा एंड गीले नहीं होने के कारण एक तो आपको वहां खुजली नहीं होगी एंड कांस्टेंट इरिटेशन नहीं होगी. ओके. और उसके बाद what you can do is if you are using tampons, please also change them every 4 to 6 hours, because what a tampon does is if it sits there, it absorbs the moisture, it changes the pH, so it can cause irritation to you and it can change the pH of the vagina. Third, very important thing is if you're using menstrual cups, they are very good. They won't irritate your skin. Try using menstrual cups. And also, one more very important thing, if at all you are like you have extra bleeding or something, change pads more frequently. And अगर आपको पैड से रैशेस होते हैं तो वो पैड ना यूज करके किसी और कंपनी का पैड यूज करके देखिए, हो सकता है उस कंपनी के पैड से आपको इरिटेशन. एंड ऑल्सो देयर आर ऑर्गेनिक पैड्स दैट आर कमिंग इन द मार्केट्स, you can use that as well. Let's go to the next question. That is, how can I manage redness around the intimate area during monsoon due to friction and dampness? ओके. सो देखिए, अगर फ्रिक्शन है, डैम्पनेस है, तो अगेन द सेम थिंग, आपको अगेन अंडरवेयर आपको चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. गीली अंडरवेयर में मत रहिए कभी भी. पैंटी लाइनर्स, यू कैन यूज पैंटी लाइनर्स. पैंटी लाइनर्स क्या करते हैं, कोई भी अगर वजाइनल सिक्रीशंस एक्स्ट्रा है या तो अगर गीला रहता है वो एरिया, इट विल अब्सॉर्ब. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज जब भी आप यूरिन के लिए जाते हैं, वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू यूरिन, सो प्लीज वाइप द एरिया फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. दैट इज यूरिथ्रा से एनस की ओर डायरेक्शन होना चाहिए हमेशा यूरिन के बाद. पाइप इट ड्राई. सेकेंड थिंग, अगर आपको लगता है कि अंडरवेयर गीली हो चुकी है, चेंज कर लीजिए. एनी टिप्स यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर फॉर द लेडीज लिसनिंग टू यू? ओके. So the tip is monsoon is the season. Please enjoy the season. हम बात करते हैं डेली हाइजीन टिप्स की, तो प्लीज फॉलो रूल्स. रूल्स में अगर मैं आपको पॉइंटर्स दूं तो नंबर 1 पॉइंटर है, वेयर कॉटन अंडरवेयर, इट शुड बी ब्रीदेबल. सिंथेटिक अंडरवेयर को अवॉइड करिए, डोंट वेयर इट. ओके. सेकेंड थिंग इज कीप योर वजाइना क्लीन एंड ड्राई. थर्ड थिंग इज से नो टू डूशिंग. डूशिंग मतलब क्या होता है कि जब आप वजाइनल इंटीमेट वॉशेस या तो सोप या तो कोई भी चीज वजाइना के अंदर डाल के उसको साफ करने की कोशिश करते हैं. वजाइना एक सेल्फ क्लेंजिंग ऑर्गन होता है. वजाइना को कोई जरूरत नहीं होती किसी और चीज से सफाई की. द ओनली थिंग दैट नीड्स क्लीनिंग इज द वल्वा, जो कि आउटर लिप्स होते हैं. आप आउटर लिप्स को क्लीन कर सकते हैं. इवन आप कोई भी नॉर्मल अनसेंटेड सोप आप यूज कर सकते हैं, बट अंदर हाथ डालने की सफाई करने की कोई कोशिश मत करिए. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट एंड द थिंग इज stay hydrated. Drink plenty and plenty of water, क्योंकि मानसून में you tend to lose a lot of fluids and salt, जिसके कारण the hydration goes less and again it affects the pH of the vagina. So stay hydrated, drink plenty of fluids. Next thing is like wipe from top to bottom, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था. Then is I'll talk about shaving of the pubic hair. You should not actually shave pubic hair like in the opposite direction. जिस डायरेक्शन में बाल आते हैं आपको उस डायरेक्शन में प्यूबिक हेयर को शेव करना चाहिए. एंड सबसे बेस्ट थिंग इज टू जस्ट ट्रिम द प्यूबिक हेयर. दैट इज मच बेटर, क्योंकि प्यूबिक हेयर का प्रोटेक्टिव फंक्शन भी होता है, सच एज लाइक इट विल हेल्प इन प्रिवेंटिंग द बैक्टीरियल स्प्रेड. बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन को बढ़ने से रोकता है. एंड इफ एट ऑल यू हैव समथिंग, दैट प्यूबिक hair will protect you against the friction that you have during sexual intercourse. So the pubic hair is actually good for you. It is not something that आपको remove करना है hygiene purpose से. It is your personal choice to remove it. Second, diet wise मैं आपको बोलूंगी कि you should avoid spicy food, क्योंकि spicy food also affects the pH of your vagina. After intercourse, next thing is if you're having sex, so the most important thing is please go and pee after the sexual intercourse, and also clean your vagina, make it dry. Don't just be into that position after sex. Don't just lie down. Thoda sa bed se uthiye and urinate and just flush off the bacteria whatever is accumulated there. And ghar pe aap have food rich of probiotics, yogurt, garlic, everything, and reach out for help. Like in case of infections, in case of problems, in case of irritation, rashes, please visit your gynecologist. Don't self-treat at home. And over the counter medications, drugs, ये सब आपको avoid करना चाहिए. And during sex, again, use condoms for to prevent sexually transmitted infections. And also, if you have any queries related to any gynec topics, you can refer me in my Instagram account that is under the name Gynae Guide, GYNAE_GUIDE, or you can search me in the name of Dr. Rainee Agrawal. Guys, any questions? You can just ask me. Okay. Okay. One more thing that people were asking me, that if at all you have some vaginal irritation, if you have pain down there, बहुत ज़्यादा खुजली होती है तो उस पेन को कैसे, you can also use cold compress, guys. आप cold compress से उससे आपको थोड़ा सा the pain relief will be there, you can use that. Okay. Thank you. I think there are no questions. We can end the chat here. All right.